Hey folks, this is Paul with Guarantee RV. Today we're going to be looking at a 192 Catalina Expedition. This is a really neat little trailer and I really think you're going to love it, so let's go ahead and jump inside and take a look. Alright, so this thing is just the perfect couples trailer. It's got a really neat Murphy bed setup where you have the full-size couch that folds down, and then the Murphy bed comes over it, which does have the extended bed frame pegs at the bottom there, which is kind of a unique thing. As you can see, there's a lot of space to this little trailer. Most of them that are this size, you're not going to get as much movement and seating as you will in this one. You do have the two mirrored hanging closets on either side of the bed, as well as a little mini nightstand on either side as well for, setting your phone when you're charging it, putting a book, whatever it is that you guys like to do before you go to bed. A solid amount of windows in here too. You got windows on each side of the bed as well, so you can see out when you wake up in the morning. You've got an oven in here, which is really unique for a smaller trailer. A 3-burner stove with the glass panel that comes over it, so it extends the counter space there for you for cooking and anything else that you guys might need just extra space to set stuff on. A little bit of overhead storage, fan, and a nice steel faucet for the sink. You've also got a microwave, 6 cubic foot gas electric fridge in here, and a really nice size, looks like about a 32-inch TV over the dinette that you can see from the couch when it's set up here. We've got an awesome surround sound system here over the TV, which does get you music throughout the coach so you can listen to your nice music and relax before bed or just when you're having people over at your campsite having a good time. So that's pretty neat as well. When you go into the back, you've got a really nice compact bathroom in which you've got, of course, toilet, sink, and actually a very spacious shower. So I think that this is something really awesome that you guys should come down and take a look at if you're looking for something smaller and lighter weight. I think it'll work great for, a little couples trailer or something. Well, thanks for going through that with me, guys. I really look forward to hearing from you. Once again, my name is Paul Williams. You can reach me at 541-510-3584, and I really look forward to you guys taking a look at this unit with me, and you have a great day.